ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 301। So Brahmana Srishti is done, but without Kshatriya Srishti, there is no expansion in the creation. Nothing happened further. That is the topic. And Kshatriya is endowed with all powers by Brahmana, and he sits above in the pedestal in Rajasuya. Bhashya, second last line. So we saw in Tika, क्षत्रस्य ब्रह्म अभिभवे दोष श्रवणाच्च तस्य तदपेक्षया तद्गुणत्वम् इत्याह। क्षत्रस्य ब्रह्म अभिभवे, if Kshatriya has Brahma Abhibhava, then dosha shravanat, then there is a dosha. Tasya tad apekshaya tad gunatvam. 16 number tippani. Tasya kshatrasya tad apekshaya brahman adhinataya tad gunatvam means brahmanya gunavatvam. So what is the meaning? Compared to Brahmana, Kshatriya has gunatvam means gauna bhava. Otherwise, Kshatriya will become Abhibhava. Abhibhava, if it is there, then there is samasya. Bhashya. Yastu punar balabhimanat swam yonim brahmana jatim brahmanam ya u enam hinasti hinsati nyag bhavena pashyati swam atmiyam eva सह योनिम ऋच्छति स्वं प्रसवम विच्छिन्नति विनाशयति. In this, that ya u enam, that part is there, ya u enam hinasti. This is from the mantra. Ya u enam hinasti is the mantra. Its vyakhyanam is yastu punar balabhimanat swam yonim brahmana jatim brahmanam insati, in this way. Enam means brahmanam. Hinasti means hinsati. And ya is yastu. That is the explanation. So here Vyakhyana is first. Vyakhya is later. See in Tika. Pramadad api iti vaktum u shabdaha. U shabda, it can be for pramada also. Means out of pramada, if Kshatriya does hinsa of Brahmana jati, or out of bala abhimanat, yastu punar bala abhimanat, swam yonim, yonim means karanam, swam yonim karanam brahmana jatim brahmanam yau enam hinasti hinsati means nyag bhavena pashyati, that they are inferior. Kshatriya starts seeing Brahmana as lower or starts doing some apamana of Brahmana. In Tika they have given ya u enam hinasti iti pratika grahanam yastu punar ityadi vyakhyanam iti bhedah. Ya u enam hinasti is the pratika. Yastu punar ityadi is vyakhyanam. So first vyakhyanam, then vyakhyayam. Nyag bhavena pashyati, 13 number. Tiryak drishtya. Tiryak drishti means treating them inappropriately, treating Brahmana inappropriately. Then what will happen? Swam atmiyam eva sa yonim richati swam prasavam vichinatti. So it destroys its own utpatti sthanam, or it will bring vinasha, means they will not have any further lineage, that Kshatriya, because they are destroying their own karanam. Vichinati vinashayati. Yasun, after that, in Bhashya, further, sa etat kritva papiyan papataro bhavati. If this Kshatriya does such things, then he will become papiyan, means papataraha. Papa shabda is there, yasun pratyay is there. It is in the tarab artha that is given in Tika. Yasunas tarab arthasya prayoge. Yasun pratyay is where? In which shabda? Papiyan. And tarap is in papataraha. So this Kshatriya will get more papa. He is a papiyan person. Papataraha bhavati. Purvam api Kshatriyaha papa eva. Why papiyan? Why you have to give tarap pratyay? He says Kshatriya will have some papa by itself. Why? Kruratvat. Atma prasava hinsaya sutaram. Bhashyakara is keeping a danda on Kshatriyas also. Purvamapi Kshatriyaha papa eva kruratvat. Atma prasava hinsaya. And if they do Atma prasava hinsa, then sutaram. Then more. Atma prasava means Brahmana. If they do Brahmana hinsa means nyag bhavena darshanam. टीका ब्राह्मण अभिभवे पापीयस्त्वम इति एतद् उदाहरणेन बुद्धावारोपयति. ब्राह्मण अभिभवे पापीयस्त्वम इति एतद् उदाहरणेन बुद्धौ आरोपयति. यथा लोके श्रेयांसं प्रशस्ततरं हिंसित्वा परिभूय पापतरो भवति तद्वत्. Just as in the world, shreyansam prashastataram. Prashastataram or prashasyataram, either way you can read. Person who is of great accomplishment, gunavan, if they do its hinsa, then hinsitva paribhuya papataro bhavati. He will be papataraha bhavati. Paribhuya, paribhavanam means to defeat. In Hindi they have given tiraskar karke. Paribhava means defeat. So that victory is no victory where you actually are losing. You may think you are gaining some points. It is a no win. You are losing there. So you have to let go of that. That is the objective here. Further, so Brahmana Kshatriya Srishti is done. कर्तुर ब्राह्मणस्य कर्तुः ब्राह्मणस्य नियंतुश्च क्षत्रियस्य सृष्टत्वात् किम उत्तरेण इति आशंक्याः. कर्तुः ब्राह्मण नियंतुः क्षत्रिय. So both their srishtis are done. Karta Brahmana and Niyanta Kshatriya. Karta means Yagadehe Karta. Then what happened after that? Uttarena Kim iti ashankyaha Kshatra iti Kshatre Srishte api. Even though Kshatriyas were created. See the mantra. Sa naiva vyabhavat sa visham asrujata. यानि एतानि देवजातानि गणश आख्यायन्ते वसवो रुद्रा आदित्या विश्वे देवा मरुत इति. These are the Vaishya among devatas. Vasu, Rudra, Aditya, Vishwe Deva and Maruta. So, that Brahmana still could not continue the karma because Vaishyas are also required and the Shudras also will be required. Until everything is ready, there is no further srishti. Means karma will not happen. Sa naiva vyabhavat. Saha visham. Visham means Vaishya. Asrajata. Yani etani devajatani. Devajatani, actually that word should be devajani. Means you don't change. It is just the prayoga, you will see. In Bhashya it is given. Visham is vit pratipadika. Vit, vishav, vishaha. Visham, vishav, vishaha or vishan. Vishaha. Is the Vaishya Srishti. And these are the Ganaha groups. Ganashaha Akhyayante. They are in the form of groups. Akhyayante Chakshing is the dhatu. Kya Adesha comes there. Bhashya Kshatriya Srishti api sa naiva vyabhavat karmane brahma. Saha brahma karmane naiva vyabhavat. He could not expand the karma. Tatha na vyabhavat vyabhavat vittoparjayituhu abhavat. Because there is absence of vitta uparjayitu. The financial sector was down, so nothing happened, no karma. Savisham asrjata. Tika. Tad vyachaste karmana iti. Brahma brahmano asmi iti abhimani purushaha. That Brahma, Purushaha here means Agni Purushaha. Because Brahma here is Agni only, not other Purusha. We are still in Devata Srishti. Tatha Kshatra Sargat Purvam Iva iti yavat. It was still just like how it was before Kshatriya Srishti. It still stands still only, nothing happening. Kathan tarhi laukika samarthya sampadana dwara karma anushtanam ataha. Then how with laukika samarthya sampadana karma anushtanam happened? Sa visham asrijata. He created Vaishyas. Deva jatani ityatra takaro nishtha. See. Nishtha pratyay is there. Deva jatani. So it should be Deva jani. but takara is there because of nishtha. Therefore, devajatani, tani, asrjata. गणम गणम कृत्वा गणशः. सो गणम गणम कृत्वा किम इति आख्यानम विषाम इति आशंक्याः. इन भाष्य इट इज गिवन सह विषम असृजत कर्म साधन वित्तोपार्जनाय. फॉर वित्त उपार्जन, टू गैदर फंड्स, वेल्थ, विच इज कर्म साधनम. कह पुनरसौ विट. हु इज दिस वैश्य. यानी एतानि देवजातानि स्वार्थे निष्ठा. देयर स्वार्थे निष्ठा इज देयर. 4 नंबर टिप्पणी. कालादि अनपेक्ष भाव मात्रे. स्वार्थे मीन्स भाव, भाव में निष्ठा, स्वार्थ निष्ठा. य एते देव जाति भेदाः इत्यर्थः. दीज आर देव जाति भेदस. गणशः गणम गणम आख्यायन्ते कथ्यन्ते in the form of samuha. So all these are groups. Vasu, Ashtavasavaha, you will see in Tika, in Bhashya. So they are in the form of Gana. Gana Prayahi Vishaha. This Bhashyakar observes so many things. He says this business community, they are always in a group. And they operate that way so that all the funds remain within the group. In Devatas also, Gana Prayahi Vishaha. Vaishyas act in that way only. टीका. विषाम समुदाय प्रधानत्वम अद्यापि प्रत्यक्षम इत्याह. विषाम समुदाय प्रधानत्वम अद्यापि प्रत्यक्षम. Even in this day and age, you see Vaishyas as samudaya. They have these associations, sangha groups. Traders association will be there, workers association will be this, that. Everybody, they will work together. And they will have their supply chain people also. They will do business with those people only. They are close-knit community. प्रायेण संहता in भाष्य. प्रायेण संहता ही वित्तोपार्जने समर्था न एकैकशः. प्रायेण संहता, they are in a group, संघात. Only then they are vittauparjana. Individually you cannot build empires, wealth empire. You have to have groups. Bhashyakara, we think what is his avidyaka srishti. He will write everything in. He doesn't have any such thing that इसमें क्या बताना. No. वसवः अष्टसंख्यः, 8 वसुस, अष्टसंख्यो गणस, तथा 11 रुद्राः, 12 आदित्याः, विश्वे देवा 10. Actually, Vishwe Deva Anantaha. That is how it is given. But they are considered as vritti. In the form of vrittis, they are Ananta. Okay. But here Bhashyakar is given Vishwe Deva Dashaha. Who are they? Vishwayaha Apatyani. Sarve. So they are the Apatya in the lineage. Apatya literally means Putra, but descendants of Vishwa. Sarveva Devam. Devan. Marutaha Sapta Sapta Ganaha. How many Marutas are there? 49. Sapta Sapta. Now, Shudra Srishti. Tika is over. Sarvam Spashtam. Further, Kartru Palayitru Dhanarjayitrinam Srishtatvat. कृतम वर्णांतर सृष्ट्या इति आशंक्य आह. कर्तृ, who are the कर्तृ? Brahmanas. Palayitri, Kshatriya. Dhanarjayitri, Vaishya. How the Dhanarjayitri that became Dirgha? What is the sutra? Kartru Hasva. Palayitri Hasva. Dhanarjayitri Dirgha. Dhanarjayitri now.
Nami.
Somebody said this.
Nami.
Nami, correct. Yes. Nami is correct. Like Ramana, Rama becomes Dirgha. The same here also. So their srishti is done. Srishtatvat. Kritam. Kritam means Nasti phalam. Here Kritam means Nasti phalam. Varnantara srishtya iti ashankya. Without Varnantara srishti, there is no phalam. Iti ashankya. Mantra. Sa naiva vyabhavat. Sa shaudram varnam asrjata. Pushanamiyam vai. Pusheyam hi idam sarvam pushyati yadidam kincha. Sa naiva vyabhavat. That Agni in Brahmana could not do further vibhuti yukta karma. And therefore, it created Shaudram Varnam. Shaudram, Shudrasya. What is the sutra? Like Pragnya will become Pragnya. Prajnadibhyascha. This is the sutra. Pragnya will become Pragnya. Shudra, Shaudram. Shaudram Varnam. In Bhashya, it is given. Means sutra is not given, explanation is given. Shaudram Varnam Asrajata. Pushanam Iyam Vai. Pusheyam Hi Idam Sarvam Pushyati. And this is Iyam. Iyam Prithivi. Prithivi Strilinga. Iyam Prithivi Pushanam. Pusha Iyam Hi Idam. Idam Sarvam Pushyati Yadidam Kincha. This Prithvi nourishes everything, whatever is there. So Prithvi is the Prithvi Devata is the Shudra among Devatas. The Marudgana, Vasu, Rudra, Aditya, all of them are Vaishyas. And Indra Adi, Kshatriyas, Indra, Varuna, etc. And Agni alone is Brahmana. Bhashya. Saparicharaka abhavat. Punarapi naiva vyabhavat. Because of the absence of paricharaka, sevakas are not there, then no karma. So you see, in Upanishad also, all varnas are required. And until all are present, you cannot undertake any big karma. Means you need all. You need Brahmanas, you need Kshatriyas, you need Vaishyas, you need Shudras. You need foot soldiers also. They are the ones who are actually going to run the show. You need finances, everything you need. Dhanapati. And somebody has to do Vyavastha Sanchalanam. Those who will have phone number of everybody. They will call this person, that last minute something is not working, call this person, they will get it. So at any time, what crisis will come, you never know. So they are the people, Vyavasthapaka people. Brahmanas will know the least. They say phone number. Phone itself is not there here. Phone is in my room in the drawer. They are such people. You need people who can do all this. And if funds are not there, then say, let's not do it. They are different. So everything is needed. Only then karma will happen. Naiva vyabhavat. स शौद्रम वर्णम असृजत. शूद्र एव शौद्रः. स्वार्थे अणि वृद्धि. स्वार्थे अण प्रत्यय. So this prajnadivyascha. This is the sutra. Number, though I don't know, but you can. Huh? 5438. 5438. कह पुनरसौ शूद्रो वर्णो यह सृष्टः. What is, who is the one who is created in this varna? Tika. No. Pushanam, pushyati iti pusha. Pushanam means pushyati iti pusha, the one which nourishes. Tika. Shaudram varnam asrjata iti atra aukaro vriddhi. It is vriddhi. Aukaro vriddhi. पुष्यति इति पूषा इति उक्तत्वात् प्रश्नस्य अनवकाशत्वम् आशंक्य. कह पुनः असौ पूषा. Why this प्रश्न? Because it is already given. पुष्यति इति पूषा. प्रश्न has no avakasha. There is no room for question. Says no. विशेषतः तद निदर्शति इयं पृथ्वी पूषा. इयं पृथ्वी पूषा. विशेषतः it is given. टीका. पूष शब्दस्य अर्थांतरे प्रसिद्धत्वात् कथम पृथिव्यां वृत्तिरित्याशंका. Somebody will say पूषण. पूषा शब्द is for who? सूर्य. पूषण ने कर्षे यम सूर्य प्राजापत्य. Pushan is Surya. How you said here Pusha is Prithvi? Swayameva nirvachanam aha. Iyam hi idam sarvam pushyati yaditam kincha. In the mantra itself says Iyam. Iyam means Iyam hi Prithvi. This, which is proximate and Strilinga. And the yogic artha goes there also. It has the ability to nourish. So Chaturvarnya is done. ननु चातुर्वर्णीय सृष्टे तावता एव कर्मानुष्ठान सिद्धेः अलम धर्म सृष्ट्या इति अतः. Chaturvarnya सृष्टि is done, so by that कर्मानुष्ठान should happen. Why dharma सृष्टि is created now? Dharma, dharma, etc. इति अतः. Further mantra. स नैव व्यभवत् तच्छ्रेयो रूपम अत्यसृजत धर्मं तदेतत् क्षत्रस्य क्षत्रं यद्धर्म तस्मात् धर्मात् परं नास्ति अथो अबलीयान् बलीयान् समाशंसते धर्मेण यथा राज्ञैवं यो वै स धर्मः सत्यं वै तस्मात् सत्यं वदन्तम् आहुर् धर्मं वदति इति धर्मं वा वदन्तं सत्यं वदति इति एतद्ध्येवैतद् उभयं भवति. स नैव व्यभवत्. Even now that Agni Devata was not capable of expanding the Srishti. Tat Shreyo Rupam Atyasrujat Dharmam. Then it created the Shreya Rupa Dharma. Atyasrujat. This is Atisrishti. This is extension. Tad Etat Kshatrasya Kshatram. So this is the Kshatriya dharma of Kshatrasya Kshatram means he is Kshatriya of Kshatriyas. Means he can, Kshatriya means Niyanta. He is the controller of Kshatriya also. Dharma will control Kshatriyas also. Yad dharmas tasmat dharmat param nasti. Greater than this dharma, there is nothing. Atho abaliyan baliyan samashansate dharmena. Therefore, even if king or anybody who is abaliyan, who is not very powerful, baliyan samashansate, how dharmena? Because of dharma. यथा राज्ञा यथा राज्ञा एवं यो वै स धर्मः सत्यम वै तत्. In this way, whatever that dharma is satyam. Yatha Ragni evam means a abaliyan purusha also can think of challenging a raja when he has dharma with him. That is the idea. And this dharma is satyam. Tasmat satyam vadantam ahu dharmam vadati iti. Those who speak satyam, they say, he speaks the dharma. And he speaks truth. Dharmam vadati iti. Dharmam va vadantam satyam vadati iti. And the person who says dharma, they say, he is saying the right thing. So satya and dharma are one. Those who say dharma, they say, he is satyam. Who say satyam, they say, he is speaking dharma in this way. In Srimad Bhagavatam, when this Kali Yuga has come and this Raja Parikshit is there, so he is asking who made your condition like this. So that Parikshit, that Dharma says, somebody says it is because of Kala, somebody says it is because of Prarabdha, somebody says it is this, somebody says Ishvara, somebody says Swabhava. So he says you are Dharma. Dharmam bravishi dharmagnya. You are speaking dharma because you are the knower of dharma. So dharma means not that who did this person did that. Instead of that, he says so many karanas are there. That is dharma. And Raja also knew. Raja didn't say, give straight answer. What is Raja also understood what he is saying. This is the greatness of great people. In second number Tippani on this page 303, there is one, not correction, but something you can edit. I will read the Tippani. Page 303. Did I complete the mantra first? I did. Etadubhayam bhavati. Dharmam iti. Atra dharma shabdena dharmo aham asmi iti abhimanini. Shrutyadi prasiddha dharmadhi adhishthatri chetana. Devata abhimata. Here dharma means dharma adhishthatri chetana as devata. Like everywhere, it is the presiding deity. Natu prasiddho apurvakyo achetano artho vivakshita. This is not dharma as in the jada. Apurva. Apurva achetana artho. This is not dharma. Chodana lakshano artho dharma. That is not what is meant here. This is the devata. Tasya अचेतनत्वेन तस्या, so there खंडाकार you can do तस्या अचेतनत्वेन. और अर्थ is also there, tasya arthasya achetanata. So then you don't, somehow this we had added in there, not needed. तस्य अर्थस्य अचेतनत्वेन क्षत्रादि नियामकत्व अयोगात्. That dharma, if it is jada, it cannot do niyamanam of kshatriyas. Kshatradi niyamakatva ayogat iti अन्यत्र विस्तरः. न अर्थो अचेतनो अर्थ न विवक्षिता, अर्थो न विवक्षिता. अपूर्वाख्यो अचेतनो अर्थो न विवक्षिता. अर्थ मीन धर्म. भाष्य स चतुरः सृष्ट्वापि वर्णान् नैव व्यभवत्. सः चतुरः वर्णान् सृष्ट्वापि नैव व्यभवत्. उग्रत्वात् क्षत्रस्य अनियता आशंकया, because of kshatriya being ugra, क्षत्रस्य अनियत आशंकया तच्छ्रेयो रूपम अत्यसृजत. किं तद् धर्मम तदेतत् श्रेयो रूपम सृष्टम क्षत्रस्य क्षत्रम क्षत्रस्यापि नियंत्र. So what was created? Dharma. What is that? It will control kshatriyas also. Ugradapi ugra. Dharma is ugra. Aniyata shankaya should be. नियामका भावे तस्य अनियतत्व संभावनया इति यावत्. If there is no niyamaka controller, then they will become aniyata, uncontrolled, aniyatatva sambhavanaya iti yavat. Tat shabdah srashtu brahma vishayah. Tat etat shreyo rupam srishtam. That means that srashta, Brahma. Kuto dharmasya sarvaniyantritvam kshatrasya eva tat prasiddehe. How do you say dharma is sarvaniyanta? It is known only that kshatriyas will do. Before that you see in Bhashya. यद धर्मो यो धर्मस् तस्मात् क्षत्रस्यापि नियंत्रत्वात् धर्मात् परम नास्ति तेन ही नियम्यन्ते सर्वे तत्कथम इति. So there is no greater than dharma. By that all are controlled. And the question is how, that we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sudravashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.